ingredients. Add about half a cup to 1 cup of water.
Chilly breeze in the afternoon, the days are ending real soon.
Enough flour to fill your shallow pan.
I lost my heart and I found a home. We're far apart, but we're never alone.
Food coloring, your choice of color.
Dear Louise,
Spread the flour evenly among the pan. Make sure it's quite shallow, but not too deep.
Dear Louise and Estelle, just as well.
Add as much water as you can. The more water, the more gooier, but make sure you don't add too much water or else it'll become slime.
Summer, playing the songs on the radio, we're guessing the fast from the patio here in the summer. Dear Louise, almond seed. Dear Louise, apple tree.
I didn't have enough water, so then I decided to add more. So that was about 1 cup of water.
As well. Said there's gonna be some weather at the door. Sunny, 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 can we still be having fun? I guess it doesn't always have to be so. Dear Louise,
Mix till gooey. You can see the texture as I'm pulling it out now.
Louise, apple trees. Dear Louise, and Estelle, just as well. Dear Louise, almond seeds. Dear Louise, apple trees. Dear Louise, and Estelle, just as well.
Start swirling it and swiveling it like how you would do to marbling. It's really cool and it's really, really satisfying.
Chilly breeze in the afternoon, the days are ending real soon in the summer. I lost my heart and I found a home. We're far apart, but we're never alone in the summer. Dear Louise, almond seeds. Dear Louise, apple trees.
Slap some paper on top and put it on top of your swirl so it absorbs the color. Let it sit and slowly drag it out. Lay it on an old rag that you don't use anymore. Place the towel on top and using your chopstick or fork or spoon, scrape the excess flour off. The color should still be on the paper. Everything, all the extras will be scraped off. Leave it to dry for the night. If it doesn't dry, use a blow dryer.
Almond seeds. Dear Louise,